Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to use files in Salesforce CRM. Knowing how to efficiently manage your files can dramatically improve your productivity and make sure all your important documents are right at your fingertips while working in Salesforce. Let's get started. First, let's see how to access files from a record page. Start by clicking the App Launcher, which helps you navigate through different areas in Salesforce. Next, open any record you're working with. This could be an account, a contact, or an opportunity. Scroll down and you'll find the Notes and Attachments or Files related list. These sections are designed to store and organize your documents efficiently. Uploading files is simple. Click the Upload Files button, select the files from your computer, and they'll automatically attach to the record you're viewing. This makes it easy to access them anytime you revisit the record. If you prefer managing files separately, you can do this from the Files tab. Go back to the App Launcher, type Files in the search bar, and select it. Here you can upload files the same way. These files are available globally across Salesforce, so you can attach them to multiple records whenever needed. Attaching a file to a specific record is just as easy. Open the record, go to the Files related list, and click Add Files. Select Owned by Me, choose your file, and attach it. This keeps all relevant documents organized within the proper context. Sharing files is straightforward too. Open the Files tab, select the file you want to share, and click the Share button. You can choose who to share it with from the list and decide whether they have viewer or collaborator access. Once done, click Done, and your file is shared according to the permissions you set. Mastering these simple steps ensures you're making the most of Salesforce's file management capabilities, keeping your work organized, accessible, and collaborative. Thank you for watching. By following these tips, you can streamline your workflow and make Salesforce CRM work better for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Salesforce tips.